so whoa!
Shit, I need to pull that.
Come on, let's bypass this shit. Josh is pissed. We got an old handicapper in front of us.
Nope.
Alright, we're gonna do a cold start on this truck. It's not really a cold start, it's not cold at all out here. Alright, so I put a lift pump on it and a fuel filter. And the original lift pump I put on it lasted less than 24 hours. This new lift pump that's on it has 30 minutes of runtime on it since it was broken down to get it back home. I think the screens have been taken out of the tank. I think it's sucking trash from the tank, stopping up the lift pump. So we're gonna see what it does today. Also, when I first got this truck, the secondary screen on the filter was busted open, and the regulator on the fuel bowl was contaminated with trash and hard deposits. Cleaned all that out, got it working, inspected it. Here today because he has a transmission pan leak and a valve cover leak. Real simple repairs. We're gonna knock him out real quick today. Also notice he has a flat tire with a slow leak. We might see if we can patch that for him while we got it here. We'll have to bring over old Betsy service truck. We'll have to go air it up and see what we got going on in the garage today. Alright, that's on the back burner. That's my roommate's 7.3. We got to pull it out. It lost low pressure oil overnight in the driveway. Believe that or not, I know, right? We got the 468 build. Going on right there. We gotta get that to a good stopping point sooner or later. But this is going to be the focus of the day. Some of y'all may have already seen. We got it partially dismembered from where we towed it. But cylinder number 2 has a busted intake valve. Wow, never seen a broken valve spring before. It didn't drop either. Usually when they break, they drop. This is still suspended. Cylinder number 5 has probably a low compression, no compression miss that we have to diagnose. I'm hoping it's a valve spring also, but we'll figure it out. Bit by bit. This thing's been a freaking nightmare.
Cause it ain't gonna work. It's like the 5th attempt. Heat fixes everything, right?
I forgot there was this big old hub back here.
Yeah,
Everybody on it. No, the edge. Yeah, oil seal. Alright, go for it. Hard. Turn it on, see what she does. weather. We gotta fix some broken valve springs in that. Ta-da! Yeah, that should do it. Both and both. Hell yeah. People used to make fun of us for being pack rats. Joke's on them. Scratch it up if you want. There we go. Now we need one more female. I think I have my.
We're hooking up Scat Blast.
If you don't use goggles, then give you scatterax. Please fit. Yes. Heck
Put some air to it.
Yeah. Let's see how bad it leaks. Oh, that was the water dryer.
I already have it open, Mike.
Holy balls! Is that the? That's the actual coupling leaking, not the threads. That's horrible. There it goes. Now it ain't leaking. Oh, you turned it off, didn't you?
Yeah.
Open her all the way up. I feel like sepsis. Yeah, we're gonna put another end on this or another female on this. That's horrible, man. We hold them together, nothing, but. Alright, let's see if we got any more unions.
I know a hardware store that sells them for like $5.
Actually, let's try. Damn it, that's a female end. That's a hard one to. I don't have that.
I just used my last female.
On that end?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's swap them. Swap the hose around. Wait, never mind. Never mind. We made the hose unidirectional because it's male and female on each end. Oh, fuck it. It doesn't hell matter. Excuse my French. We got 60 gallons. I just don't like leaks. Alright, and let's we got one last thing to do. This phone. This thing is losing sand pretty fast. Let me show. Well, what would we consider it?
It's a donation.
No, you can't say it's a donation because we do got to put in work for it.
Okay, but not nearly what the car is worth is the amount of work. Like, he's just trying to get something out of it.
That's true. I would say
change my brakes and you can have this BMW. You know,
it's a pro bono. So let's get up all this.
That's good.
Can't make it work. It's gonna have a big old ream and pile of sand on it. I'm gonna put it up a little higher. Okay, case scenario, we just gotta rip it off. Not a big deal at all. Well, that's useless. Okay, so, dang, we're ready to blast, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's so weird not hearing our gas.